there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, after generating thousands of free leads online using lead capture pages and leading people into sales funnels, I have a thing or two to share with you about increasing your lead conversion rate once someone lands on your lead capture page. So if you are trying to promote something, maybe you're in network marketing, you're trying to get more people to watch your presentation, or you are in an affiliate marketing program and you want more people to check out your products and services, you want to make sure that you get as many people as possible that visit your lead capture page to actually enter their name and email and join your list. So in this video, I am going to share 3 of my top tips, and they're very, very simple, that you can start implementing into your lead capture pages right away to start increasing the conversion rate from people that visit your lead capture page and converting them into actual leads on your email list. So if you want to know what those 3 tips are, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, whether you are trying to sell a product or a service or maybe a coaching program, or you're trying to get more people to watch your company presentation, you need a way for people to funnel into your sales process so that you can get more people taking action and actually buying what you are offering. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you get people to a lead capture page. And then the second thing you got to do is make sure that they literally open the door and come inside. You want people to arrive at the beginning, which is the doorway of your sales process, and enter their name and email so they can actually let themselves into the other side of that doorway that leads into your sales process. That's basically the purpose that your lead capture page serves. Now, make sure to stay to the very end of the video because I have a very special invitation for you that is very limited because we don't have a lot of seats available, but I have a special invitation just for you to attend a free training webinar where the CEO of a digital marketing platform, who's an 8-figure earner, is going to be teaching us how to increase lead conversion rates by 80% using some of the strategies that I'm going to teach you in this video. So make sure to stay all the way to the end of the video to get the details on how to attend that absolutely free webinar. All right, guys and gals, so let me go ahead and dive into the 3 tips that you can start implementing right away to help increase conversion rates on your lead capture pages. So number 1, you want to make sure that your opt-in form is above the fold. Now, just to be clear, in case you didn't know, the opt-in form is where your visitor, your lead capture page visitor, actually enters their name and their email so they become a subscriber on your email list, which is what you want to happen because your email list is really the only asset that you control inside of your business. It's the most valuable thing that you have. So you want to make sure that you're always focused on building your list and increasing your list size so that you can expose more people to your products and services. So the opt-in form is kind of like the doorway, again, into your sales process. So you want to make sure that it is above any area that would require someone to scroll down on your page. When someone arrives on your lead capture page, they don't have to scroll, they don't have to search for the opt-in form. It's basically right there, front and center. It is above the fold. So the fold is just the industry term for it. It's just the space on your web page where they don't have to continue to scroll. Once they start scrolling, they're below the fold. So you want them to be right front and center. Just like the door in a house is front and center, you want to make sure that your opt-in form is also in an area that your visitor doesn't have to scroll, and that will help increase conversion rates because the opt-in form is right there in front of them. So the second thing is you want to have a strong call to action on your opt-in form button, because that is where people are going to make that final decision to click to see what's on the other side of your lead capture page. So what happens is a lot of like builders or autoresponders that have like default opt-in forms, they have default wording on those opt-in forms like submit. Basically, submit is the default word, but you want to change it up. You want to make the language a little bit more action oriented so that the person knows exactly what's going to happen once they get on the other side of that page. And you don't have a lot of real estate to do it. So you want to use power words like download now, or yes, send me the video, or start the masterclass, or start my application. You don't want to just put submit. Right? That's just not going to really get that person excited about clicking on that button and giving you their name and email. So you want to make sure that you have a good, clear, strong call to action on your opt-in form button. And then the third tip that I have for you, and there's a lot of ways to increase conversions, but these are just like the 3 bare minimum ones. The third one is something that's really small, but it makes a difference, especially when it comes to gaining the trust of your email subscriber. Now, listen, people are getting bombarded with spam emails all the time. So if you can make that person rest assured knowing that you're not going to be another spammer, right? What you want to do is you want to have a little tiny line, like a little sentence, maybe like in a 10-point font where you can still see it, but it's not really like the center of the page. But right under the opt-in form, you want to say something like, we respect your privacy, we won't send you spam, or your email is safe with us, we won't sell your email. Because people are getting bombarded with all kinds of spam in their inboxes, and the last thing you want is for that person not to trust you and then click off your page because they're just not sure if you're going to be safe with their information. So make sure to make that person feel sure that you're legit, you're going to send them good information and good training, and that will compel them to trust you and want to enter their name and email and give you like a real name and email. Because what happens too is a lot of people put like fake names and emails just to see what's on the other side. So something so small is so powerful in helping increase that trust while that person is there, so that they can gladly leave you their name and email and become a subscriber on your list, and that's what you want. All right, well, these were just 3 tips that you can start implementing right away, and of course everything ends up to testing everything out. So test things out, monitor your conversion rate, monitor the traffic that you get on your capture page versus how many people actually opt in, and that'll give you a good indication of what you should be looking at, what you should be tweaking, and all that good stuff. Now, these are just 3 tips that I've shared with you today. So if you liked these 3 tips, you're really gonna love our Monday webinar starting December 2nd, where the CEO of the company that I'm aligned with, which is a digital marketing software, he's an 8-figure earner. He's been building lead capture pages. I mean, he built a business based on selling lead capture page software. So he knows a thing or two about increasing lead conversions with an 8-figure business. And what he's going to do is he is going to be teaching us how to increase our lead capture page conversion rates by 80%. So the training is absolutely free, and you can learn a thing or two about increasing the lead conversion rate on your lead capture pages. Or if you've never even built a lead capture page, but you know you want to create leverage and you want to get more people to watch your presentation or learn about your products and services, then you definitely want to be on this webinar starting Monday, December 2nd. And I will have a link right below this video. Now, there's only 1,000 seats available on this webinar, and I'm not the only one that's promoting it. So if you want to secure your spot, make sure that you click on that link right away, and secure your spot for that webinar because it is going to be amazing. Eric, who is the CEO, is an incredible teacher. He's a lot of fun. He's really funny too, and he knows his stuff, and the webinar is absolutely free. All right, so make sure to check out that webinar link right below. It's a free training. You're going to learn a lot, and I think it's going to be great, and I'm going to be there. I'm definitely going to be checking it out, and I highly recommend that if you want to get better results with your internet marketing using lead capture pages and using digital marketing tools that can help you build your business, I highly recommend that you attend that webinar. So make sure to click on that link, secure your seat before they run out. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And by the way, today is Wednesday, November 27th. And so if you're in the US and you are celebrating the Thanksgiving holiday, happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel, again, subscribe. But if you've been watching my videos for a while, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I hope that my content in some way, shape, or form has helped you. And I'm just very grateful that you're here. And thank you so much. And I hope you have a wonderful day with your family. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on another video. Bye.